these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance.
See this life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding, bro. You gotta understand what you're doing. You need a direction.
Hi guys, good morning. So this is the first time I am recording this year for my YouTube channel, but it's not the first upload. God, I hope not, because I had a video that was supposed to go up last week. Currently it's supposed to go up in a few days, but I'm saying in the past tense because hopefully it has gone up. Yeah, so happy new year, welcome to 2026. I'm so happy that I finally got back on here as the ending of last year, so that I'm like continuing. So it's not like, oh, it's January, I decided to come back. Oh, I digressed. So guys, today we're going to be doing a bit of maintenance. One thing about me is that I can do some things very spontaneously, so I didn't even plan to do this. This just came up. I just realized it's Friday, I have to go to work on Monday, and I have a lot of things I need to do, so I need to get my head on. So we're getting our head on. This has fallen off, so I'm also going to be changing my nails. I might do that today, I might do that tomorrow, depending on when I'm done, because the salon where I get everything done is not close to where I stay. So I need to leave early, and the time is currently 1:40 p.m. So my hair appointment is for 2, and yeah, I just want to show you guys what I picked up. I went to the supermarket earlier and I got this. This is the Beauty Formula Vitamin C Serum. I don't know, they changed their packaging, which is weird because it used to be in a bottle, but now it's in a tube. I don't know, so when it was in a bottle I used it. It works very well for hyperpigmentation, though I don't recommend using it every day. I haven't used this in, you guys, I haven't used this in over 6 months, 6 or 7 months. Well, I'm trying to get back to it because my skin is starting to look really rough, even though some people may disagree, but I know what I've been seeing. The iPhone camera does a lot of filtering to our skin. So yeah, I got a body care soap. I honestly didn't pick up much because I wasn't out of everything completely. Trying it, I got a coconut water aloe walnut kini. So I got it. I actually love how it smells. It smells very, very fresh. So I got it to try. And then for my braids, I'm trying to achieve a Moesha braid. So if you don't know, my hair is very thin. So usually the reason why I don't braid as much is because my hair breaks a lot whenever I carry braids because of the weight of the braids. So I'm trying to go for something short, like Moesha braids. I don't know if I'm going to be able to achieve it. One thing about me, when I go to salon, I carry 2 styles in mind. So I have that, and I have like side, like Ghana weaving bob mini braids. So depending on my hair, because my hair is in a really bad state right now, and yeah, so I need to go to the salon now. I just needed to come back home. I would have gone from the supermarket, but I had to come back home so that I can drop off some of the things I got and actually officially welcome you guys to the vlog and not just add clips, because most likely, based on the time I'm going, before I return, it's going to be evening. I'm not going to be able to record anything. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm always so happy to do my videos.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen.
So funny story, you guys remember that yesterday I said I was going to get my hair done. Obviously I look different, the hair is done, but it was almost a case of what other places where I got. I had to be shouting up and down in the salon, you know, trying to speak out because I cannot be using my hard-earned money and then I will now get what I want. It's not happening. That can't be me. So even as I came home, I still even had to dip the ends in hot water and be trimming, and I really didn't like that I had to still do that because I still didn't like how the hair looked and I wanted it to look a certain way. I don't know if that makes sense, you know, that moment when you just know what you want. And the fun thing about me is whenever I send inspo pictures, I will send an inspo picture but I'll be like, oh, but that's not how I want mine. I will have a different concept. So maybe I'm the problem, I don't know, am I the drama? But I like how I look. I really like how my skin pops whenever I get braids. It's just like my skincare is working, life is good again, there's energy, even though there are a lot of things that stress me out right now, but that's by the way. Let me show you guys what we have right now, what we're working with. I'm holding my hair with 2 bands right now. So I'm holding my hair with 2 bands. This is the first. This is what it looks like styled down, which is what I would most likely, how I'll most likely wear my hair. So the front is a bob kind of styly and the back is just there. So I'm taking the second one down. I don't know, my sister says it looks unique, that it's obvious, so why would the hairdresser understand what I mean? That she's still trying to understand the hairstyle. Do you guys think it looks crazy? Let me know. I think it's giving like old school throwback vibe. Yeah, so this is what it looks like down, and then if I want to send half of it, so it's like one is complete, one is half. I really like how my braids look. I like how it frames my face. I love black braids. I feel like it flatters my skin tone and it just makes everything pop. So yeah, this is a weekend vlog and tomorrow is Sunday. Today I had to get my phone, everything, my power bank, everything charged, and now my devices are charged. So I'm preparing lunch now. I'm boiling rice. So when that's done, I'll go upstairs and edit my YouTube video that's supposed to go up tomorrow evening, Sunday. For now I'm sticking to Sunday evening uploads. I think that's more realistic. And when life gets back into the busy, realistically speaking, working Monday to Thursday, Friday maybe filming, Saturday I'll edit, so Sunday I'll upload. So I'll be able to keep up with that like schedule. So that's the reason why I'm trying to stick with Sunday evening uploads. Subsequently, when I have a bank of content, I will be throwing in an extra video during the week, midweek, when I have a bank of content and when I'm able to find someone who can edit videos well enough to assist me. So yeah guys, so tomorrow Sunday we're going to church. I'm not wearing makeup again. I'm tired of makeup, honestly. But to be fair, my makeup's starting to look a bit better. It's just like when you stay in church and then you praise God and you worship and dance, the face looks different afterwards, and I don't want to have to deal with that. I've just accepted my fate. I'm not a makeup girly, and that's okay. That's just fine. So yeah, I just have a lot of videos that I would like to implement and like experiment with in this 2026. You guys should just stay tuned, please. If you have any, I said this in my last video, and if you've been noticing my past couple vlogs, if you paid attention, you notice that I've been mentioning that I feel like I've been having a bit of dilemma deciding the type of videos to do. So you guys, if you have any suggestions, any video you'd like to see, do well to drop it in the comments. I'm admiring myself. I think I look so pretty. It's just that I don't have edges. You guys know my last hairstyle was an installation. Would I be doing it again? Most likely, but my hair needs to just breathe. Just needs to breathe and grow back. You guys, I'm breaking out. But when I step back, it doesn't look, my skin looks really clean. But if I come closer, you can see that. Alright guys, so that's it for Saturday. The plan is to grab lunch and then edit my video for tomorrow. and then prepare for the week ahead. So that's it. So guys, bye. My brother is waving. Bye.
It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad, yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What are we? They like, what he on? This the Alpha and Omega, bitch, welcome home. This is not a song, this a revelation, how to get a nigga gone. I need you a man, baby, I don't understand, baby. Pay your bill and make you feel protected like I can, baby. Teach you something if you need correction, that's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in these weird niggas' hands, baby. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad, yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? Hey, turn this TV off. Ain't with my type activities, and don't you get involved. Hey, what? How many shit I seen? Send them off. Take a risk or take a trip, you know I'm tripping for my dog. Who you with? Couple sergeants and lieutenants for the get back. This revolution been televised, I fell through with the knickknacks.
So guys, I ordered lunch while I was at the salon. So they brought it to me. I'm about to have lunch and Cecilia, I'm trying to make this maintenance vlog very vlog style. That's why I'm adding I don't want to say unrelated bits, but that's the reason why I'm trying to like carry you guys along how my day sort of is going. And yeah, please, this is the part where I beg you guys to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment of, you know, and ask me questions or let me know the type of videos you like to see more of. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned. One thing I've really been planning to incorporate into my routine is supplements, and I decided to finally invest in them this year, 2026. And this is the first one that I got. This is Nature C's vitamin C supplement, and I like this particular one because it contains magnesium, and this helps with like immune boost, serves as an antioxidant, helps for skin brightening. Sorry, I might not know all the like benefits because I'm trying to like list the things I remember right off the top of my head, but basically that's it. Next supplement I got was the omega-3 soft gel by Herbal Remedy, and this one contains fish oil, which helps with eye health, skin health. It reduces inflammation. It also helps with scalp and hair health, and it also helps with brain health, which is one of the reasons why I actually decided to get this particular one. I did a lot of research. You guys do your research, and I also spoke with a medical professional before getting all the supplements I got to know what would work better with me, my lifestyle, and everything. This helps with eye health, and it also helps with like your brain and helps you remember stuff. I've seen a lot of like recommendation for people to start taking omega-3 supplements for brain health. Adulthood is dealing with hard blues, so we gotta stay prepared. The next one I got is the biotin supplement. I'm very skeptical about this one because I didn't mention it, but January was a no sugar month for me. But this supplement actually had some sugar because it was a gummy, unlike the rest that were like capsules. This particular one is a gummy, so it has like sugar in it. But biotin basically helps with like skin support. It helps with like this particular one had like collagen in it, and it also works well for hair growth, and it also helps for like metabolism support. Helps you digest properly, so to say. Okay guys, so I had to get this last one. This is zinc basically, and I didn't get so much of it because I heard that it can be really powerful. I just decided to get just a little quantity of it and just try it out for myself. So let's see.
You got something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all. Despite the things you said to me, who is it that's got you all gassed up? right with you. Yeah, and now you're trying to make me feel away on purpose. Now you're throwing it back in my face on purpose. Now you're talking down on my